If you've been stuck looking for the perfect way to intro your videos, then you've come to the mother flipping spot. Cause today I'm going to show you guys how to create this super insane zoom in earth transition using AI. You can do this in any software. You guys already know the vibe. Subscribe. Now let's get active. Big mama. Slow down, baby. So we're in Premiere Pro, and the first thing we're going to do is take a screenshot of our footage. And we do that by clicking this camera icon. If you don't see the camera icon, you can click this plus icon right here, then drag that to your bar thing, and you can save it anywhere. Now the next step is go to your search engine and search for Higgsfield AI. And on Google, the first thing I literally saw was Earth Zoom Out. So we can just click that. Now to use any of Higgsfield's AI's AI, you're gonna have to sign in first. So let's do that quickly. Now all you have to do is like dummy simple. Click here to import your image, select the screenshot we took in the beginning and click OK. So this is the first time I'm using it, so I'm not going to click any prompts. I'm just going to expect it to do what it do. So yeah, click generate. So it says estimated wait 45 minutes, but I don't think it's going to last that long. That's what she said. Overall, yeah, it looks amazing, like 8 out of 10. So now we're going to download this, head back into Premiere Pro and import our new footage. So since we're using the free version, it's not going to give us 1080p footage, but that's okay. All we need to do is scale this up to about 150%. Okay, so now we don't need to see all that. So right click on our footage, go to speed duration. First we're going to revert the speed, then make it a second long. So now we've gotten the whole look. I'll delete the last frame of our download. Next thing I'm going to do is create a new adjustment layer. Then I'm going to slide that right in and make it 5-6 frames long. Delete the rest and position it in the middle of our two clips. Now for the finishing touch, I'm going to go to effects, and I'm actually going to use one of my energy presets. It adds a ton of energy to your videos and it's all drag and drop. If you want to edit videos 10 times faster, then this is the way to go. Okay, so first, I think I'm going to try one of the hits. Let's go with soft. Okay, so soft is a little bit extra for me. I feel like soft is perfect for a video where it's like, I bring the Glock and I shoot him up. It's for something more high energy. For this, a shake would probably work better. So I'm going to open one of my shakes and I'm going to use the simple shake, since we just want to blend the transition. Yeah, that looks perfect. Just for fun, I'll try Crazy Whiplash. Yeah, but for this, I think simple is the way to go. So thanks for watching one of my videos. Don't be a stranger, say hi in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.